Now, we know the heavy snow is on the way, and the timing of it all is key. Governor DeWine already declaring a state of emergency across the state of Ohio. Meteorologist Jessica Van Meter joining us now, tracking every bit of that action. Jessica, it's going to be a busy couple of days. Where do we start?
Yeah, definitely a busy few days heading our way as we work through a lot of the snow. We're going to have that weather impact alert really at least through the day on Sunday and probably into early Monday. A lot of that heavy snow is going to fall during the day on Sunday. We're seeing that move in tonight. It's going to be heaviest through the day on Sunday. And a lot of that more widespread snow is going to be exiting by the time we get into Sunday evening and overnight. But we're still going to have some lingering issues as we get into Monday. So still expecting some rough travel at any point on Sunday, and then probably continuing for many areas into Monday as well, because we are going to see some pretty impressive totals out of this. Here's what we're talking about. This is the extent of the winter storm warnings for most locations. We see all of those in pink stretching from New Mexico all the way to New England. So we are included with those winter storm warnings that are going to be in place with us for the duration of this. We are seeing everything as snow. Anything with ice is going to stay further to the south. They actually have ice storm warnings from areas of Texas up through portions of Mississippi, also around the Atlanta area and into western parts of the Carolinas. So we are not looking at ice. It's all going to be snow for us because we're on the colder side of things. That cold air has really taken a deep dive to the south. These are temperatures folks to the south are not exactly used to. It's 17 degrees down towards Dallas, 23 for Nashville. So all of these areas are impacted with this winter weather. And the thing is, a lot of those folks are not capable of handling it. They don't have the infrastructure down there in areas like Atlanta, Nashville, and Dallas to deal with the winter weather. So that's causing travel issues and will continue to do so over the next few days until they can kind of get past this. But we are going to be watching the northern extent of this system, and that's going to be trying to push snow our way as we go through the overnights. Trying to creep in on the radar, not having a ton of luck hitting the ground just yet for some locations. We're measuring just some light snow so far. That's going to be on the increase. Temperatures right around 10 degrees for right now. Just a little bit of a wind chill out there. Still feels below zero at times. We'll walk through that National Designer hour-by-hour forecast. Scattered snow is going to continue to push in as we go through tonight. By tomorrow morning, we wake up to accumulations already on the ground, steady snow falling, and that's going to be the case for the majority of the day tomorrow. In particular, we're going to watch where we get some of those heavier pockets of some more moderate to heavy snow. That's where we could get those snowfall rates over 1 inch per hour, and that's also where those totals are really going to add up very quickly. We'll talk more about totals and when things finally taper off coming up.
Cool. A lot to keep track of for that Sunday forecast. Cold and snow. Jessica, thanks so much. We'll see you soon.